Hey everyone, today I am going to show you designing a logo using two letters. The letters are G and D. In this video, you are going to see this logo. Okay, there are two letters. You can see the first is G and second is E. I will show you how to design these in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, let's go to the screen. Let's create a new document, 3000 pixel by 3000 pixel. Hit create and then start with a rectangle 80 pixel by 80 pixel. Okay, then turn off the fill color as we work with only the stroke color. Let's zoom it how it looks like. I should increase the thickness of the stroke. Let's increase it to 20 pixel. Okay, let's make it center. It is inside now. Let's create another rectangle with same width but height should be 60. Okay, it is going to be the lower part of this letter G and E. Let me sit right place, align. Okay, let's select the direct selection tool, hold shift and click to deselect it around the others. Now select this corner and delete as we don't need them. Select this part, increase the corner radiusness to 20. Okay, 20 looks good. Now I think it is not thick enough. Let's increase to the thickness to 30. Okay, looks good. I think it is good now. Let's keep a copy and expand appearance, increase the handle to the border. Yes, it looks good. Let's merge the shape. Okay, I will work with this. Let's reflect it vertically and make a copy which is for E. Okay, let's fix the gap between the two. I like to make the gap just half of the line thickness. Okay, let's try it. Here. It looks better now. Okay, it is good. Let's attach this part. Select rectangle tool, draw a rectangle to from G to E. Okay, it is looks like what we draw. Okay, I want to make another version of it, so let's keep a copy and try with this. Okay, select this part, go to object, path and offset path. Let's go with 5 pixel. Okay, and select all. Select shape builder tool, hold alter and click this point to delete them. Then delete this part and merge them together. Let's delete unnecessary anchor points. You can find some unnecessary anchor points here after merging any shapes, so let's delete them. Okay, done. Okay, it looks better. I think it looks better than the previous one. I will go with this one. Let's keep a copy of it. Try another version. Okay, select the direct selection tool, select the corner and drag it and do same for the E. Now it looks better than the previous one, and I think this is my final design. I love it. Okay, let's go with this one now. Okay, let's go with this one. This time I will make a simple presentation for this. I will make it using Photoshop with a simple image and a simple mockup. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, it looks great now. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.